Hello and welcome to NexgenBots.com. We build Alexa skills, bots, web applications, and contact center. And all these are built on cloud platform using serverless technologies. So why this is important? Well, the customers don't have to pay anything upfront, so they don't have to invest in infrastructure, meaning no hardware, no buying licenses for softwares. So all the services which we provide in nextgenbots.com is built on cloud using serverless technologies, needing no investment from the customers. So today we will just take a brief look at the features of a web application which is built using serverless technology. So there is no web server or application server when we talk about a serverless web application on cloud. So this means that you're not running dedicated servers for running your web server or application server on the cloud. So how are we achieving this? Well, there's something called event-driven computing, which is implemented in AWS in the form of AWS Lambda. So for running, let's say, a bot, we leverage this paradigm to do our computing services. Now, please keep in mind that Lambda, which is, like I said, is an event-driven computing engine, can call any other service on the cloud platform, which is very, very vast for AWS. So the options are really unlimited. And you can also call APIs outside the cloud platform. So you can do a REST API and leverage other services which are outside the cloud platform. The other feature is user management, which means that users can come to your site, they can just browse the site without signing in, or they can sign in uh, through a sign up facility, which means that your users are being managed on the cloud platform. So the users, their profile and their activities are logged into the cloud, which can be very, very useful. We also make sure that the website is fairly secure for whatever purpose that it is built for. For example, in nextgenbots.com, and please feel free to take a tour of that site. You'll see that in some of the projects we have exposed some of our bots for anybody. Now, that doesn't mean that anybody who is not logged in would be able to run those bots. I mean, you can just try for yourself without authenticating yourself in the site. It's not going to run. So we have secured it to an extent by Cognito. So Cognito would allow only the users who have signed in to run those bots. I mean, you can do much more. I mean, you can have, um, if you have resources on the back end, you can secure them using access management and you can really lock them down at a granular level. The sites that we build are responsive, so it looks good and functions well on all form factors. The sites are then deployed in all the edge locations of AWS, which is really, really wide. It's all across the geography, so the response time for the users are very nimble. And there's additional benefit of security, like they protect you from DDoS attacks and so on. And we store the main content in a very, very durable storage, so there's no fear of loss of content. So namely, this is simple storage service for AWS, which has 11 nines of durability. So these were some of the features. I would encourage you to go to nextgenbots.com and check the site for yourself. Thank you for showing interest in nextgenbots.com, and uh, we hope to hear from you. Have a good day. Bye.